Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kid Holmes. It is Wednesday. That means it is time for One Mind Wednesday. It is Wednesday, October the 8th, 2025. Today I am talking about our bucket lists. And what the first question I want to ask you today is thinking about your comfort zone, thinking about when you think about items on your bucket list, if you even have one, and I hope you do, that little catch you might get in your gut that says, oh no, this isn't possible, or I don't have the money, or whatever the limitation of your thinking may be around it. I'm going to suggest that the hesitation or the resistance to doing something that you know you would love to do probably comes from an old mindset of, I can't have this. So what our tendency to do is in that place is to just stay in our comfort zone, even when our comfort zone is not entirely comfortable. This applies across the board, not just to your bucket list or the things that you would like to do, the businesses you want to start, the relationships you want to start, the relationships you would like to heal or improve, the health that you would like to experience. All of the areas of our lives require us to take a little bit of stretching outside of the comfort zone, and mostly always beginning with the thought to say, this is possible. I'm willing to try this. The willingness is the key to opening that door to taking the first step towards something on the bucket list or on something else that you've always wanted to do and maybe haven't attempted yet. So as always, with the suggestions I give you, the invitations that I give you, do it with gentleness. Do it with kindness to yourself. Do it with as much non-judgment as possible towards yourself and anyone else for that matter. And what I mean by that is that little thing called comparison despair. You see somebody else doing it, you say, I'd love to do that, and immediately you shut down and say, I can't, or you maybe project a little bit on that person or that situation and say, they have more than I do. They have more luck. They have more money. They have more blah, 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 blah. Don't project. Just bring it back around. Be gentle with yourself. Ask yourself the question, would I love to have this experience? Start there. Be willing to stretch. Be willing to be gentle. But be willing to move forward. We have a limited amount of time in this lifetime. None of us knows when our last breath is going to come. So, as I just took a deep breath, take one for yourself. Whip out that bucket list, and if you don't have one, start one. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Willingness, willingness, willingness. All right, that's what I got for you today. I will see you again next Wednesday right here on One Mind Wednesday. Remember that we are all a part of the one mind, that one collective consciousness. So everything that we do, everything that we think affects what everybody else experiences as well. So choose kindness. Kindness matters. We are all in this together. And love is the only answer. I do believe that. I'm going to keep saying it as long as I have another breath in this life. I love you all dearly. I will see you again next Wednesday. Take care. Love ya. Bye.